Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the insight question answers from Chapter 5, Class 6 CBS book, West Bengal Board, Our Natural Resources, Part 2, Minerals and Energy. So let's start. In the previous video, I already gave you the exercise question answers. If you have missed that video, please check out the description box or playlist. You can find that video from there. Okay, number 1, which states of India possess minerals wealth, or where are minerals found in India? Only 7 states possess more than 74% of mineral wealth, whereas the remaining states account for the rest. These 7 states are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Gujarat and Assam. Number 2, what is mining? Taking out minerals from the earth is called mining. Number 3, which minerals are found in Rajasthan and Gujarat? Petroleum, mica, manganese, limestone. Number 4, which minerals are found in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu? Mica, manganese, lignite. Number 5, which minerals are found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu? Gold, iron, manganese, chromite, copper. Number 6, which minerals are found in Maharashtra? Coal, iron, limestone, manganese, bauxite. Number 7, which minerals are found in Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal? Coal, iron, copper, mica, bauxite. Number 7, which minerals are found in Chhattisgarh? Manganese, chromite, limestone. Number 9, what is the economic significance of minerals wealth of a country? The economic development and industrialization of a country depends upon its minerals resources. That is why the country which has ample minerals wealth becomes industrially advanced. Besides giving economic prosperity, the minerals wealth of a country earns enough foreign exchange. Number 10, why are minerals important? Minerals are important to a country in various ways. Number 1, they form the basis of commerce and industry. Number 2, they develop means of communication and transport. Number 3, they provide fuel for running industry. Number 4, they are useful for the defense of the country. Number 5, they provide goods and services for public use and public welfare and raise the standard of life. Number 11, which minerals form the backbone of economic growth of a country? Iron, coal and petroleum. Number 12, which minerals are economically important? Manganese, aluminium, copper, lead, nickel, mica and potash. Number 13, which minerals are used to produce atomic power? Uranium and thorium. Number 14, which countries make their economic prosperity by the availability of minerals? The United States of America, England, France and Germany. Number 15, how many types of energy resources are there? The energy resources are classified into 2 categories. Number 1, conventional or non-renewable energy resources. Number 2, non-conventional or non-renewable energy resources. Number 16, what are conventional or non-renewable energy resources? Conventional or non-renewable energy resources are those which have been in use since a long time and have become a convention. Example, firewood, coal, fossil fuel. Number 17, how fossil fuel were formed? The plants and animals which died millions of years ago were gradually buried deep in the earth and got covered with the sediments like mud and sand away from the reach of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, the chemical effect of pressure, heat and bacteria converted the buried remains of plants and animals into fossils like coal, petroleum and natural gas. Number 18, what is coal mined from? Coal is found deeply inside the earth. It is mined from there. Number 19, write the uses of coal. Coal is used as a fuel in industrial furnaces, including the steel industry. Next point, in thermal powerhouses, coal is burned to heat water into steam. The steam turns the turbines of electric generators to produce electricity. Last point, coal is heated in a closed container to prepare coke, a smokeless fuel. Number 20. Which gases escape from coal when it is heated? When coal is heated, many gases escape which are cooled to obtain chemicals which are sources of a range of useful products such as calcium carbide, acetylene, acetic acid and plastics. Number 21. Name some coal producing countries. Some of the coal producing countries of the world are China, USA, Germany, United Kingdom, Australia and India. Number 22. Name some coal producing states in India. In India, the main coal producing states are Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Number 23. Where is petroleum found? Crude oil or petroleum is found deep below the surface of the earth. Wells have been drilled on ground and ocean floor. Number 24. What are the uses of petrol? Petrol is used as fuel source of energy for scooter, buses, cars, motorcycle and aeroplanes. 25. What are the features of petroleum? The petroleum is dark, thick, foul-smelling liquid. Number 26. Which products do we get from petroleum? When petroleum is refined, useful products like natural gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, furnaces oil and wax are obtained. All these products contain energy in the form of chemical energy. Number 27. Name some major oil producing countries in the world. Major oil producing countries in the world are Saudi Arabia, Iraq, United States of America, Mexico, Russia, United Kingdom and China. Number 28. Name some of the major oil fields in India. Some of the major oil fields of India are Digboy, Ankleshwar, Bombay High and Mehsana. These are a number of oil refineries. Number 29. What is natural gas? Gas comes out before or with petroleum is called natural gas. Number 30. What is natural gas used in? Natural gas is used in industry and for cooking, heating and lighting. It is also used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is also used fuel in automobiles or compressed natural gas, that is CNG. 31. Name some non-conventional or renewable energy resources. Non-conventional or renewable energy are solar energy, biomass energy, biogas energy, wind energy, hydro energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy and nuclear energy. 32. What is the other name of non-conventional or renewable energy resources? Alternative sources of energy. 33. What is solar energy? The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. 34. The sun is the ultimate source of all energy on the earth. 35. What is infrared rays? About 1/3 portion of the sunlight consists of infrared ray. Infrared rays have a property that they hit the objects on what they fall. 36. Name some devices which use solar energy. Solar cooker, solar heater, solar power plants, solar furnaces and solar cells. 37. Which gases does biogas contain? Biogas is a mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. 38. The major constituent of biogas is methane. 39. The approximate percentage of methane is biogas is 65. 40. How is biogas obtained? Biogas is obtained by the anaerobic fermentation of animal waste like animal dung or plants waste in the presence of water. 41. How did man utilize wind energy in earlier days? In the earlier days, the energy of wind was utilized by man in two ways. Number 1, in soil boat for transport purposes, and number 2, in windmills to pump out water from earth and grind grain to get flour. 42. How is the energy wind used in these days? These days, the energy of wind is being used to produce electricity. 43. What is windmill? A windmill is a machine that works with the energy in energy of flowing air or wind. Number 44, how many types of windmill have been used in the past? Two types of windmill have been used in the past. Number 1, to run the water pumps to draw water from the ground. Number 2, to grind grains to produce flour. Number 45, what is the limitation of wind energy? An important limitation of wind energy is that it is not available all the time and at all the places to do the various types of work. This is because there is no place in the world when the wind blows all the time. So without wind, the windmills stop turning. There is no surety that we will get wind energy when we need it most. Number 46, what is the advantages of wind energy? An important advantage of using wind energy is that its use does not cause any pollution. 47, name the places where have wind turbines to generate electricity. Puri in Orissa, Kutch Hydro in Gujarat have wind turbines which generate electricity. Number 48, what is hydroelectric power? The electricity generated by using the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectric power. 49, in many countries including ours, the potential energy of water in high rivers is converted into electricity by hydroelectric power plants. Number 50, what is the limitation of water energy? An important limitation of water energy is that flowing water or falling water is not available in plenty everywhere to turn the water wheels and run the machine. 51, name some hydroelectric power plants in India. India has hydroelectric plants like Bhakranangal, Hirakud. 52, name some countries where geothermal energy is put to use. United States of America, Iceland and New Zealand are some countries where geothermal energy to put to use. 53, what is tidal energy? The gravitational pull of the moon on the earth causes the water in the ocean to rise and fall. The rise and fall of the water is the tides. Energy from them are called tidal energy. Water in the receding tide is used to move turbine and generate electricity. Tidal energy is available twice a day only. Now fill in the blanks. More fill in the blanks from this chapter. Number 1, the electrons are negatively charged particles. Number 2, protons are positively charged particles. Number 3, protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Number 4, neutrons do not pass any electric charges. Number 5, firewood, coal and all other fossil fuels are conventional resources of energy. Number 6, taking out of mining from the earth is called mining. Number 7, electricity, petrol, diesel, coal, hydropower, solar, wind, tides and nuclear are energy resources. Okay, these are the inside question answers from this chapter. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.